So here's a little quick DIY video. Polaris 360, newer model, same as the old. Okay, so the problem is you pop off the hubcaps. There's a little thing here. You just get it in there once you find it. See, right there, and then you just pop that off, and then these little clips have to come out. So to get the clips off, pop them this way. So like pop it out, and then to get it back on, you just push it on. Right, and once you do that, the wheel comes out. But wait. First, you just have to loosen. You have to take this out and this out here. Take these screws out. This was to replace this belt. So you take out this screw. I loosened this one, and then you can get this up, because you have to raise this up to get the wheel to come out. So the other guy made a video, and the problem was I didn't take the housing out, so you know, you really just have to raise it up over this, because it gets caught on this, because this whole piece comes out with that wheel. So once you get the clip out, once you pop the clip out, then this part here comes out. Then you take the belt and you just loop it around as it comes in. You'll figure it out. It's pretty easy.